crap, mega crap. I'll give you 200 bucks for all of them.
That seems a little low.
Take them somewhere else then.
Parker, you're late, man. Always late, huh?
I'm sorry, Mr. Aziz. There was a disturbance.
Disturbance, another disturbance. Always a disturbance.
Pizza time.
You're late. I'm not paying for this.
You're fired. Go.
Please, I need this job.
You're fired.
Give me another chance.
I believe there's a hero in all of us that keeps us honest, gives us strength, makes us noble, and finally allows us to die with pride.
With great power comes great responsibility.